Alrighty, so a little clean and inspect on the skiddy today. So there's always crap that gets stuck in there. All the land management guys know that. Checked around there. I checked on top. The little rubber pads are doing really good, as you guys can see in there. But they're still there. Don't have stuff on them. But let's see if we can shine some light on the situation. All right. Okay, so let's see if we can, as you guys can see, there's all this crap in this area. I don't know why it's not. God, that's gross. So gross. All right. All right, well, there's that. Checking all that stuff out. I'm going to wipe all this stuff off. That looks pretty clean in there. Same with that. As you guys can see, I cleaned that out prior. This time it wasn't so bad. Let's see this side. I got a leaf in there, but not too bad, not too bad. A little dollop of grease right there. I'm actually going to get that. Ew. And then, ugh. All right. So I'm going to clean off some of the surface grease. Go from there. Got to clean off all the cow crap. Do that. All right. Stay tuned for the goodness. As you guys can see, I got just some extra grease right there. Gonna wipe that sucker off. So what I'm trying is super clean. I don't know if this works good. I have some other stuff that works good as well. Spray that just a little bit. Let it soak. Get that in there. Clean that off. Yeah. You know, grease is pretty tough stuff. Please, if you guys have any information on how to get it off easier, let me know. That's looking okay. But yeah, there's another part up here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's pretty good. But it's just, you know, anal stuff. People usually don't worry about this stuff. You know, make it look super clean. But I do. I like it super clean. So if you guys got any hints or tips on cleaning off grease that's like that, please let me know. Make my life a lot easier. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the main nastiness has been washed off. I left this right here just so I can check out what, if any, there are leaks. So I'm gonna grease the whole thing down, everywhere, up, put it away, nice and greased, ready to work. I mean, it's not 100% clean. Oh, what is this? What is that? That is unacceptable. And I guess some stuff got washed out there. It's not 100%, but it's presentable, clean. I got all the plant material off. Hopefully all the seeds, cow crap, all that garbage. Yeah, and now we're just gonna go grease it. Alrighty, so it's grease time. I'm gonna go over the grease points over here. Well, you'll see it in time lapse where all the grease points kind of are. I'll mention them after I'm done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to show you all the grease points that I researched on this machine. I really hope there aren't any more. So there's one right here. There's one right there for the quick connect on both sides. Down in there. One right there. And then we got one right there. One right there. Another one right there. Same thing on the other side, right there. Okay, let's start at the tracks. We got the rubber bushing suspension thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, starting on this side here, we got this one for the lift arm. They put the back side of this, not down there, but right here, right there. For the vertical lift machines, you have a whole bunch more. You obviously have this guy, and then you have one right here at the end, one right there, and then one way back in there. Kind of hard to see. Right there at the end. Same thing on the other side. So, as you know, boom, 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 and this one is right back there. God, it's so hard to see. Sorry about the camera angle. And then there's another one right, let's see if I can get through here. Right there. Okay, so we got that one. So, and then of course the track carrier, boom, boom, and boom, boom. That's all the ones I know. I hope there aren't any more. So let's see here. But yeah, if there's more, please let me know. I don't think there are. I never claim to be an expert. I just try to look around, see what's up, and see what's best for the machine. All right, let's check out the engine compartment. All right, so we're at the engine compartment, and I found this helpful little chart right here. So this shows you all locations of everything. So it shows you gear oil, grease points. Let me wipe this off here. Oh, that's a little scratched. It shows you intervals here, 10, 250, 500, 1,000, 2,000. So in the rings here. So it's a very good maintenance chart. A little confusing though as to the grease points, as you can see where the grease points are or would be. So you don't it doesn't show all the ones exactly where I showed them to you, so it's kind of strange in a way. So, but yeah, yeah, take a good look at that chart, and yeah, so we got most of them. I think that's coolant. Yeah, oil, gear oil. What else? H2O. Got to check the water and fuel. But yeah, so just checking stuff out, and of course the manual will give you all these symbols and how to do them. So hope this helps. Alrighty, so just for cleaning, I like to look at the condenser. Looks pretty clear all through, so there's not much major blockage. The other thing is the radiator. I checked it already. It looks pretty good. We don't have much crap in there. I like to check back in there on the DPF, see if there's any, you know, of course, grass and stuffs. I always purge the valve, make sure this is good and closing tight. Check for water and fuel. Nothing there. Coolant's good. Just quick old once over. Yep. Got some Twiggies here. Like to get rid of those. All right. So, yeah, I just like to check things over. So, hope it wasn't confusing with the grease points. But for me, it's easier to just look for them where they're obvious than that chart. I'll go over and check this guy out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it right now. I have to probably be on the job and check it out. But yeah, so just a little cleanup maintenance video and greasing video. Thanks for watching. All right, I appreciate it.